Breadboards are one of the most fundamental pieces. When learning how to build a circuit in this video, you're gonna learn little bit about the breadboards and why they are called breadboards, and also how to use one. Once you done, you will get a basic understanding how the breadboards will work actually. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So why do we use breadboard? Breadboard is actually referring a soldering-less breadboard. They are greater unit of making temporary circuits and prototype. They are required absolute no soldering. Prototype is a process of testing an idea by creating a pre-ligament models. If you want to connect one terminal to another terminal, you need to use jumper wires. You can see in the video that jumper wire that connects one terminal to another terminal. You can see in the video the upper and the lower two rows are connected horizontally. They are used for power supply terminals. They are not connected. The middle portion of both supply terminals are not connected. You can see in the image also. So we have to use a jumper wires to connect them. Power supply and other terminals. Okay.